Hello, this is Tom Silas, CEO of wetcrow.com, WETCROW. The topic of this thing is title is Mount TV Jobs USA, start tomorrow. Okay, let's talk about what Wetcrow does. Wetcrow is a platform that creates predefined services. Let's say if you're mounting a TV, there's only two ways: with the bracket, without the bracket. Okay, that's how we operate. Okay, and then there's extra charges if you have to put it on cement. We tell the customer that in the description. It's based on a regular, wall that's sheetrock. Okay, anything different that we have to do extra drilling or it's tougher to put on, it's going to be an additional charge, and that's up to you what you decide you want to charge you and the customer. If the customer doesn't like it, they can cancel, and then they can get another handyman to come out. But so we try to price it enough so you have enough leeway there, so you don't have to charge extra. Usually, okay. So that's how it works. We're short of Mount TV handyman. We got handyman, but some of them don't do TV, so we can always use more of you guys. If you do that, sign up and we'll set you up. Choose them. If you're doing mostly Mount TV jobs and you're doing home theater, select the Mount TV jobs. When you sign up, you go to www.wetcrow, like a wet sponge, wetcrow, like the crow, the blackbird, wetcrow.com. You're going to go to become a service provider. When it brings up the screen, you're going to select the category of either handyman, or you can pick Mount TV jobs if you want to do that. Or you can do both. You can go back and add the offer for Mount TV jobs later if you like. Okay, if you do more than just that. And then where it says city, you'd start typing the first three letters of the city. Let's say if it's Athens, Georgia, you're going to go ATH. Boom, you'll see Athens pop up. Athens, Greece, Athens, Georgia, Athens, whatever, Tennessee, and you'll pick Athens, Georgia. So we know where you're at. This is where you're working at. You want to make sure you pick the right city so that we can place jobs near you. Okay, that's how that works. So anyway, the way it works is, our platform, we define the job, like we said, then we show appointments next to it so they can choose the appointment with you when you guys can come out based on your availability. And then the customer chooses the appointment, they click on then it goes to the payment screen, they pay the price they're going to pay, and based on what you want, you could charge whatever you like. And then what happens is, it goes out to the checkout screen. They get a receipt. It shows we just added that today. We're in the process of deploying it. It shows the copy of the full description, so there's no misunderstanding as to what's included in what you're doing. That way the customer knows this is what you got. If you want something else, it's going to cost you extra. If it says we're going to charge you extra for mounting on a fireplace, it's going to cost you extra. So that's the customer knows they're going to pay more if that's warranted, so they can't complain about it. And we try to tell you, it's got to be reasonable. You can't go and charge $500 to mount a TV just because you're putting it on stone or concrete, whatever. So you guys, I could see $50 extra. That's fine. So that's pretty much it. We welcome on board. Join us, and please subscribe to our channel and like this video so we can get more good guys like you to join us, because we desperately need them. There's a shortage of handymen out there, so don't worry about competition. You won't have any. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining us, and look forward to serving you. And we also, please look at our other videos. We show you how to do things better, how to run your business better, how to have appointments made. Even if you don't go through us, we show you how to get business and how to make sure you get your phone answered, because that's the worst thing you can do is have your phone not being answered. 80% of customers are not going to wait. They're not going to leave a voicemail. They're going to go to somebody else. So that's another thing I wanted to put past you. Thank you very much. Have a great week. Thank you.